So today I'm having the first modification done to the M140. So the standard exhaust actually sounds pretty good on this car, but when looking for a new car, one of the main factors for me was actually noise. The S3 was far too quiet, and I wanted something that was going to make a bit more of a scene. So yeah, I'm off to Motech Performance today, where I'm going to be getting the Remus Cat Back exhaust fitted. Yeah, just down here at Motech Performance. Said I wanted an exhaust, couldn't get the 3 MPE, so it was on with the Remus. Just want to thank Mike here.
Hi, you're more than welcome. We didn't have to thank you. You definitely said it. We bullied you into buying it. We kept seeing us on Instagram and YouTube, and then said, I've got to have one of them, and that was pretty much it, wasn't it?
Pretty much, and yeah, as I was saying to him earlier, it's kind of, if you buy an M140 now, you head down to Motech. It seems to be the done thing.
Definitely. And you have the chrome top off on this one?
Yeah, so I went for chrome mainly because I'm poor. But yeah, maybe change them at a later date. Don't know. We'll see. But I think because of the darker colour of the car, they
I
stand
think
out.
they really work well. Yeah, definitely. I think they're quite a nice tailpipe. I mean, but me personally, I really like to clean things. So if you've got a clean car, you can clean the tailpipe, the dry carbon. Obviously, never be as shiny as chrome. So there's pros and cons for both. But yeah, I'm glad you're happy with it. Sounds a lot better, doesn't it?
So I think it's fair to say it sounds absolutely awesome. Just want to say a big thank you to Mike, Nick and Patrick from Motech Performance, and yeah, I'll put all of their details in the description below. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for plenty more videos to come. Cheers.